good morning, and welcome back to the channel. Today is January 29th, 2026. Our top story comes from Minneapolis, where tensions have escalated following the death of Alex Preddy during a confrontation with federal immigration agents. Protests have spread to multiple major cities, including Chicago and New York. In a televised address from the Oval Office, President Trump called for calm as local leaders demand an independent investigation. The situation remains tense, and the nation is watching closely. NASA and SpaceX have just held a joint press conference at the Kennedy Space Center. They have officially announced the final crew roster for the Ares 1 mission, the first-ever human flight to Mars, scheduled for late 2028. Elon Musk confirmed that the Starship Unity has successfully passed its final long-duration thermal tests. This isn't just a test flight anymore. The U.S. has officially entered the final countdown to becoming a multi-planetary species. The government has committed an additional $40 billion to the Mars program, signaling a new space race. But this time, it's about survival and colonization. In business news today, Tesla has announced a major strategic shift that marks the end of an era for the electric vehicle pioneer. Elon Musk confirmed that production of the iconic Model S and Model X will officially come to an end as the company moves forward. This decision signals a complete pivot. Tesla is now focusing its resources entirely on its upcoming cyber platform and futuristic mobility. But it's not just about cars. The Optimus humanoid robot project is now a top priority, aiming to revolutionize the labor market. Musk described human-driven vehicles as legacy technology, suggesting the age of traditional cars is over. The announcement has sent shockwaves through Wall Street, causing immediate fluctuations in Tesla's stock price and market valuation. Analysts are now debating the future of automation. Is the world ready for a future dominated by robots and AI? The automotive landscape is changing forever. Stay tuned for more updates. Finally, Amazon has announced 16,000 layoffs, primarily affecting corporate and management roles. The company cited the successful rollout of its new AI-driven logistics systems. As artificial intelligence reshapes the workforce, debates over universal basic income are growing in Congress. That is today's U.S. News Update. Like and subscribe for more.
Good evening. Turning to our top story on the economy. The Federal Reserve has once again chosen to hold interest rates steady. This decision comes despite significant and public pressure from the White House, where administration officials have been pushing for rate cuts. The administration pushes for continued growth, but Federal Reserve officials argue that inflation risks remain too high to justify a pivot. They maintain that holding the current rates is essential for long-term stability, even in the face of political headwinds. This rare public disagreement between the central bank and the executive branch has increased volatility in financial markets today. Investors are now closely watching for further signals as they navigate this uncertain economic landscape. We will continue to monitor this developing story and bring you updates as they arrive. Stay tuned for more financial news.